How to bulk delete emails in Gmail before a specific date. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Gmail and then in this search section, you will see the option of from and also date. Go to date and then select custom range. You will have to select start date and end date like this. And all the emails that you selected from that specific date range will appear. Now tap and hold any of the email and then go to select all, then delete. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. Open your Gmail and then in this search section